Hi everyone, welcome back to the Unsalted Kitchen. This recipe is called chicken teriyaki with vegetables, easy, and it's one of my family's favorite dish. Let's start by making the sauce. First, add a cup of water in a saucepan, 2 tablespoons of sake, or substitute it with mirin if you don't have sake. 4 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. I always use Bragg amino sauce or cocoa amino sauce because they have the lowest sodium soy sauce substitute I could find in any grocery store. 3 tablespoons of molasses to help darken the sauce. A couple tablespoons of black or brown sugar of your choice. You could also use less sugar or molasses if you prefer less sweet to your sauce. Give a little mix to combine before adding the rest of the ingredients, such as a tablespoon of garlic and ginger plus an extra dash of ginger powder. Mix well and set aside. Next, mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. By the way, I'm just eyeing the measurements of cornstarch here. And 1/4 cup of water until it dissolves. This will help to thicken the sauce, but please not to mix these cornstarch mixtures to the teriyaki sauce yet. Now let's move on to the stove and cook the sauce. This sauce will only take 3 to 5 minutes to cook. Turn on the stove to medium-high heat and wait until the sauce boils. Once it's boiling, turn down the heat to medium-low and pour the cornstarch mixtures while mixing the sauce at the same time until thickens. Then set aside. Next step, cooking the chicken and vegetables. In a big wok, turn on the heat to medium. Add olive oil and chicken pieces and fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Push the chicken to the side to clear the middle and add the ginger, onion, and garlic. Cook until fragrance, then mix onto the chicken and cook for 5 minutes again. Add the carrots and the mushrooms into the wok and let it cook for another 5 minutes or until carrots is half cooked. Once the carrots and mushrooms looks half cooked, add in the asparagus pieces and broccoli florets. Mix it well and let it cook again for 10 minutes, stirring vegetables and chicken occasionally. After 10 minutes, pour all the teriyaki sauce over the mixtures. Stir it all up until the sauce is well combined to the chicken and vegetables for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you're done. Serve this delicious chicken teriyaki vegetable over cauliflower rice and it's perfect. Or rice. By the way, you can use the teriyaki sauce to whatever you're in the mood for, whether it's meat, seafood, or just vegetables. And there you go. Enjoy and thank you for watching The Unsalted Kitchen. See you soon. Bye.